Celery is a crunchy, low-calorie vegetable that is often used in salads, soups, and as a healthy snack. Incorporating celery into your diet can support overall well-being and help prevent various health issues. Celery contains almost 95% water with a welcome dose of vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Nevertheless, celery is a good source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, potassium, and calcium. It also contains a minimal amount of protein, fat, and just 1.4 g of carbohydrates. Celery is rich in useful antioxidants, phytonutrients, and flavonoids, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Here are 12 main health benefits of celery. Low in calories. Celery is very low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. High water content. Celery is composed of about 95% water, which helps keep you hydrated and supports overall bodily functions. Rich in fiber. The fiber in celery aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Celery contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in celery can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants. Celery is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage. Helps prevent cancer. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in celery may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Supports bone health. Celery contains vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Promotes skin health. The high water content and vitamins in celery help keep the skin hydrated and may improve its appearance. Improves eye health. Celery is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing age-related eye conditions. Regulates blood sugar levels. The fiber in celery can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Detoxifies the body. Celery has natural diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins and excess fluids from the body, promoting kidney health.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.